I recently met a small Twitch streamer that had 7,000 followers on his TikTok clipping account. And I've been working with Beater Brandon for just under a week now, and I blew up his clipping account with generating over 1 million views and over 2,000 followers.
Trying to find some basketball shoes. What the f are these, bro? Adidas really came out with this ugly ass.
And today, as filming this video, the clipping account hit 10,000 followers, which means I can start making money directly from the TikTok Creator Fund. In this video, I'm going to talk about how I met Brandon and how all of this happened, because working directly with the creator for TikTok clipping can be very beneficial for us clippers. So let's get right into it. A good friend of mine, Dakota, met Brandon at a gym a few weeks ago, and they met each other while hooping, and Brandon was actually streaming at this time. So Dakota was really interested in this, and they started talking about social media and all those things. And after they talked, Dakota actually made a group chat with me included and saying how we should all make a video production business here in Wichita, because all three of us know the ins and outs of a video production business, which we are going to do, and I'm going to personally help with the video editing work. But after talking about that, I started asking Brandon about clipping for his streams, and then we started talking about it more. And keep in mind, at the time of this conversation, his clipping account was at about 7,500 followers. Brandon has already gone viral multiple times, so he does not directly need me, but where I come in is the consistency of editing these clips, and ultimately it's just going to save him a lot of time. So we met at our local YMCA and we just talked about everything and what exactly he wants with clipping, and long term this is the perfect situation for me. And this really worked out because I already built social proof with building a different clipping account, and Brandon thought this was perfect as he has always wanted to work with a clipper. And honestly, the main benefit of working directly with Brandon is that we are going to have a monthly base pay and having bonuses when videos hit a certain amount of views. We are still discussing numbers and everything, but this couldn't be a better situation. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be posting clips on his TikTok and YouTube Shorts for him. But you might be asking if I am worried about unoriginal strikes. And as of this moment, I am not, but we shall see, honestly. And I only say this because he is a small streamer, so the TikTok algorithm has not seen these clips that I am posting, so it really helps. And another reason is because I work directly with Brandon, so he can have his own verification to prove that this is his original content. But in the future, as he continues to grow, that means more clips are going to be produced of him online. So we will have that conversation then, but until then, we shouldn't have to worry about getting strikes and getting kicked out of the TikTok Creator Fund. And even if this account got kicked out, we would still be working together and Brandon would still pay me whatever base rate we agreed to and all the different bonuses. As of now, I have edited all of his Twitch streams manually when making these clips, because having that human touch with finding the best clips definitely helps. But sometimes I'm not going to have much time to find the best clips, so this is where Opus can come into play. And for Opus Pro, you can put any long form video into it and it will generate a lot of clips that you can choose from to post. And this allows you to find the best timestamps from what this AI tool will help with. If you want to check it out, then I will have it linked down below. I genuinely think Brandon is going to be the next big streamer, especially with the growth he has gained in this past week just with working with me. And I'm going to make a monthly update with working with Brandon and show all of you the results I am making with clipping his content, because I truly believe I can take his content to the next level as a clipper. So if you're a clipper or an aspiring clipper, then make sure you join my free Discord community where we can all give free value to one another. And if you want to join the journey, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you all in the next video.